Miles, we have to stop meeting like this. Seriously, I would stop showing up if you would take steps to make sure your policies were transparent. Like this statement, the cuts we're making won't affect our students. Paired with, we are removing libraries and librarians as well as wraparound specialists from the budgets of all HISD schools. Or, all plan managers are terminated from their jobs and are forced to reapply to the district. It doesn't make sense. These people have names, Mr. Miles. To me, they're Miss Campbell, Miss Cooper, Mrs. Perez-Williams, and Miss Gordon. Your systematic cuts of these people you say have no effect on children have an effect on me. And last I checked, I'm still a child. I'm devastated that you are robbing our school homes of our greatest resource, our people. Qualified, hardworking people whose only error is committing their lives to support kids like me in a way that doesn't drive us to speak at board meetings. How does removing them make sense? Mr. Miles, last time I was here, I asked you and the board to be part of the solution and challenged you all to be a better human. I will challenge you again. Please be a better human. For all of our sakes, do better.